Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name Onion.
Good. How are you today?
I am happy. Susie. You.
Yes. How old are you, Onion?
Four.
I'm 4.
I'm four.
Yes, Onion. What the weather like? What the weather like today?
What the weather like? What the weather like? What the weather like today? It is sunny. It's raining. It is loud. It's windy.
So what the weather like today?
Sunny.
So are you hot or cold?
I am hot.
So what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a t-shirt and red
No, you are wearing a shirt and skirt.
skirt.
Yes, okay. And today we have speaking test. Are you ready? Okay. Now, what color is it?
Red.
Good. Okay, let's sing. What color is it?
What color is it? It's red. It's red.
So what color is it?
Blue.
Is.
Blue.
Good job. What color is it?
It's orange.
Good. What color is it?
It's yellow.
Good. What color is it?
It's green.
Well done. What color is it?
It's pink.
Excellent. What color is it?
It's brown.
Well done. And what color is it?
It's white.
What color is it?
What color is it? It's white. It's white.
Excellent. Okay. And look at this. I will ask you about number. What number is it?
One,
Good job. What number is it?
two,
Good. What number is it?
three,
Okay. What number is it?
four,
Good job. What number is it?
three,
What number is it?
five.
Yes. Okay. Now let's sing a song. 5. 5.
Number one is five.
Okay. And now look at my sticker. Who is this?
Mommy,
Okay. Is it big or small?
big.
Good. What color is the mommy duck?
One,
Good. Okay. What does the mommy duck say?
one,
How many mommy ducks?
one.
Good job. And look at it. What is it?
Baby duck,
Yes. Okay. Is it big or little?
little.
Very good. What color is it? What color is it?
Yellow.
Very good. And look at this. How many little ducks?
Five.
Good. 5 little ducks. And now let's sing the song 5 little ducks. 1, 2, 3.
Five little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, quack, quack. And only four little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, quack, quack. And only three little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. Three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, quack, quack. And only two little ducks came back. 1, 2, two little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, quack, quack. And only one little duck came back.
Oh, how many little ducks do we have left?
1.
Okay. Okay. Are you comfy? Are you comfy? Good. So, and now is the mommy duck happy or sad?
Happy.
No. Happy or sad?
Sad.
Good job. And now let's go all the little duck came back. 1 little duck.
Went out one day over the hill and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, quack, quack.
job. Okay, and now look at the flat card and speak louder. What animal is this?
sheep,
Good girl. What does the sheep say?
bat,
Okay, what color is the sheep?
white,
Good. Okay, what is this?
man,
Is a.
man,
What does the mouse say?
fish,
What color is the mouse?
white,
Very good. What animal is this? Is a.
rooster,
Good job. What does the rooster say?
cock-a-doodle,
Good. And what color is the rooster?
many colors,
Very good. What animal is this? Is a.
bull,
Is a cow.
eat a cow,
What does the cow say?
moo,
Good job. What animal is this?
chicken,
Very good. What does the chicken say?
chicken,
No, cluck, cluck.
cluck,
What is it?
duck,
Good. Okay. What does the duck say?
quack, quack,
Very good. What is it?
hawk,
Good. Is.
hawk,
What color is the horse? Is.
neigh,
Yeah. No. What color is the horse? Is. Is it pink? Is it white? Is it round?
Yeah.
So what color is it?
brown,
Very good. What does the horse say?
hawk,
What does the horse say?
gừng,
Neigh. Neigh. Okay, and what is it?
goat,
Very good. What does the goat say?
neigh,
Meh.
meh,
Good. And here, what is this?
pig,
Good. Is a.
pig,
What color is the pig?
pink,
Good. What does the pig say?
odd,
Very good. And now let's read the story. What is the title of the story?
many colors,
No, Grandpa Farm.
way papa, cock-a-doodle, it's morning,
On. It's in morning on Grandpa Farm. Cluck.
Cluttered, beep beep, I am hungry, said the chicken.
Bà.
Ba, I am hungry, said the
Sheep.
sheep. Quack, quack, I am hungry, said the duck. Moo,
Neigh.
neigh, I am hungry, said the hawk. Moo, I am hungry, said the
Cow.
cow. Oi, I am hungry, the pig. Dog,
Said my.
two,
Said my dog.
said my two.
Oh,